Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about a new TikTok feature, Duet Layout. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump right into this video. And I'm going to go to my TikTok. And first, I'll show you what this thing is, the Duet Layouts. And I'm going to go to, a lot of people were doing it recently, and then I saw I have this feature. And by the way, if you don't see it, you know what to do, right? Make sure you do upgrade or update your app from your App Store or Google Play Store. Now, I saw Gary Vee doing it, and a lot of other people were also doing it. And here is that sort of like a new layout. And you see there, it's two videos. The one is at the bottom and then on the top. So Duets used to be like side by side, but with this new feature, the layout, you're able to do the top and the bottom, and then there are a couple of other variations as well. So how do you do this? Now, in order to do this, actually my friend Jeff also did it. And the first I saw on Jeff's profile, it was right here. So look, again, the video at the bottom, and then here's my friend Jeff. He's amazing, by the way, doing the duet on the top, right? How do you do it? So let me go and let's do a quick demo. Let me show you how to do it. So we're gonna go to Amberly, and she created this really cool video. A lot of people are using that to duet this. So I'm gonna use her video to demo this feature. So here is her video right here. And you see she basically is kind of showing the bottom, and the top is kind of blanked out. So that's, people can kind of put their face on the top and, you know, kind of create the same type of video that you saw on Gary Vee's and Jeff Hunter's accounts. Now, to do it a video, basically you just have to click on the share icon, and then you're going to see an option of do it right here. Now, let's see, it will give us a couple of options here. So now this is kind of like how it used to be. So here's the original video, and then this is me, kind of like the side-by-side view. Now if you look on this side, the layout, so this is the new feature from TikTok. When I click on that, now I'm gonna have a couple of options right here. So I can do left and right layout. If I click on this, and now it's the top and bottom, and then I can also do like 3 screens. So let's go to top and bottom. So right now the video is at the top and my video is at the bottom, but I can hit on switch, and look at this. And I have to make the adjustment, so I have to move this video. So first I'll click on the video, and then see this kind of the blank screen here. So I can move, tap on it and then move it up like that. And then I'll kind of adjust myself so it looks really, really interesting. And now let's do a quick record. Let's see if I can kind of like, you know, follow her motion. You see, it's not that easy to do. So she's ringing, she's a cashier. That's a really cool video. It's not that easy to do that duet, but Jeff did a really good job, and Gary Vee did a really good job. So let me hit that button, and let's see how I did. I did really bad. All right, so yeah, obviously I'm not gonna post this. I don't do a lot of duets on my account right now, but this is how you can use the new duet layout feature on TikTok. When you select a video to do layout, to do a duet on, it will give you an option to do layouts, and you can do side by side, top and bottom, and also the 3 sections as well. Very easy to do. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. And also, before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. And I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.